In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Instagram profile from being suggested to other people. So here's what you need to do. And by the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I talk about YouTube search-based channels and how you can make passive income with them. So without further ado, here's how you can stop your account being suggested. So you can't actually do this on the Instagram app. Instead, what you need to do is go ahead and close out of the app and open up a web browser. Now, once you're on a web browser, you want to go ahead and search here for Instagram.com. And then that should take you to Instagram on the web browser. Now you may have to log in here, so just log in to your Instagram account, right? Once you've logged in, you want to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And for some reason, I don't know why Instagram don't have this feature on the app, but once you're on your profile on the web browser, you then want to go ahead and click on Edit Profile. And once you're here, you can then scroll down. And here you'll see Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile and whether your account can be suggested to other profiles. If you turn this off, you're going to stop Instagram from suggesting your profile. So that's how you can do it. I hope that did help you out.